how to verify your domain in Google Workspace. So I already connect my domain here on my Gmail account. Then I decided to try avail a 14 days free trial in a Google Workspace. So before that, just want to show you we have four different tiers here. We have a fine $5.40, $10.80, 18, and here is for the enterprise. So to avail this enterprise, you need to contact their sales. So I only avail this $5.40. So to start doing this process, you need to fill up this form, then put your name, then choose any one of here because I have already a existing domain. I'll choose this. Continue with this method, then put your domain. The reason uh the reason because this is not working, I've already added my domain in a Google Workspace. So right now I already log into my Google Workspace. So let's verify uh my domain here. So for this method, just click a verify your domain. Then sign in to your domain provider. So for me, I'm using a Cloudflare. Now I'm already on my dashboard. Then go to DNS records. Add new record. Text. The field name. Enter at. In the value. Copy, copy this value. Then click save. Now the text we added here already on our dashboard. So click refresh.